Afternoon, everyone. It is Thursday, June 12th, third period for English 2C here at KIT Iizuka campus. Let's take a look at what we're going to be doing today. Okay, after we do this video, what I want to do is up here at the very top, where you have all of the extra information, there's a section here called Software Downloads. And in the software downloads, you can either click on the title or just click here on the main page. I want to download this software called Counter. This software is specifically for your phone. So I already made a couple of links here for the iPhone, or if you have an Android. Now, if you have an older Android, maybe 2 years old, 3 years old, you might not be able to get the software. So you have to choose something that's good for your Android, but iPhone will have no problem. That's the first thing we're going to do. After that, it's over here. Okay, our shadow talking today will be on this article right here. Okay, it's called Montreal. This is the city where I used to live, and I was talking to my friend here in Japan, and we both used to live in Montreal, and I love Montreal, and we had an interesting conversation about it. Okay, that's our shadowing. And don't forget that your homework, thank you, dear. Your homework answers are available for download. That will be important to your coming test on, let's see, when is it? It's July 29th? Yeah, your Moodle, July 17th. Your final Moodle test will be July 17th. So not very far away, but basically 5 weeks, a little more than 1 month. And make sure you download those answers. You have another submission for homework. This one is on page 5051. Write your answers, take a picture, send it up to Moodle, and your weekly reflection. And this time, this is not a video. It's just one question, okay? What do you think you need to do to improve your own English fluency? I noticed some people in the reflections are writing very short things. Something like, I go to school. I talk to my friends. I want you to try to write a little bit more. So that's why I say at least one paragraph. And one paragraph is at least 3 to 5 sentences. And try to think a little bit more. Try to practice your English when you're doing these reflections. Okay, now, last week we had our test. We had the midterm test, and I wanted to show you your results. So this is you guys. This is how you did. Okay, let me zoom in on that a little bit. You did very well, actually. If you can see here, the lowest mark anyone got was 75%. So, 75% isn't great, but at least you didn't fail in any of those classes. And the biggest line was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. 7 people got between 85% and 90%. So that was really good. 2 people got a maybe, I don't know, maybe a perfect score between 95 and 100. So you did very, very well. Let me show you where are we here? There we are. This is a picture of the video from last year. So this was last year's results, okay? Last year's results, come on. Last year's results were too good. Most of the students actually got perfect marks. And that told me that maybe the test was too easy. So you guys actually got a version of the test that was a little bit more difficult. So that's why last year's results look that way, and your results look a little bit less, because I made the test a little longer and a little bit harder. Okay, but you did very well. For comparison, these are the results from my, oh, come on. This is not you, this is my second period class. This is my second period class, English 2C, this university. And you can see that they didn't do quite as well as you did. Okay, there were a few people that had some problems, and nobody got into the last result range. So you guys did very well. You did better than the last group in second period. Okay, so if you ever have any questions, please remember my email is right here at the very top, jdmcruz@gmail.com. Please send me an email if you need anything, or come and talk to me before or after class. Okay, so we're going to go to our software downloads, but otherwise, let's end this video here. Have a good class, everyone.